Myself, Akash Mohapatra. I am heading Environment Department of ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel India Odisha Asset. Today we are going to celebrate World Ocean Day, and on 8th June every year World Ocean Day is celebrated. In the year 2008, United Nations recognized this World Ocean Day, and this year theme is Planet Ocean, Tides are Changing. The main theme of this celebration of World Ocean Day is to raise awareness among all regarding the valuable resource of ocean. We know that ocean constitute about 70% of the Earth's surface, and half of the plant species they live in the ocean, and ocean provides us vital resources. And now we know that due to anthropogenic activities, this pollution, due to pollution and other activities, waste are dumped into the sea, plastics are dumped into the sea, and different type of toxic material are coming to the sea surface, which is threatening to the aquatic organisms. So this day reminds us the value of this ocean, and to conserve the aquatic life or the life underwater, which is one of the sustainable goal under 17 SDG. So this year we are also celebrating this World Environment Day as beat plastic pollution, and that's why it is very important for us to do different type of activities along with youth, doing different type of mass campaign, so that we can beat plastic pollution, we can remove plastic from the ocean, so that we can make the life of aquatic organisms safe. So this is my message for this World Ocean Day. Thank you.